Hi everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So this is a video to show the gratitude to my subscribers. Dear subscribers, I thank you all from the core of my heart. Without you, it would not be possible for me to reach a milestone, that is 1000 subscribers in the YouTube channel. I thank you again from the core of my heart. This video is how to show gratitude or how to train your mind to see good things in everything. We know that negative emotions and events are more powerful than positive ones and are constantly vying for our attention. They also affect us more deeply. So to avoid this, we have to train our mind to see good things in everything. So what is it? One technique is extending gratitude, and one way or one technique of this extending gratitude is 3 good things what psychologists have given to society. 3 good things also referred to in the research as 3 blessings is an extension of the gratitude and a simple but powerful tool that can be used to increase positive emotions and make positive events and moments more visible. Research have demonstrated that the positive reflection can reduce burnout, build resilience, and improve the well-being of the individual. According to Dr. Martin Seligman, who is considered to be the father of positive psychology, says the power behind the 3 good things lie in our increased ability to perceive positive emotions, stress, anxiety, burnout, narrow our thoughts and focus. 3 good things can help us counteract our natural tendency to focus on the negative, and it highlights more on the positive that already exist around us. In this process, these positive emotions broaden our thoughts and awareness to begin to change the way we perceive and interpret our reality, including the adversities and stressors we face each day. So next is how to intervene these good 3 things. Anyone can start it. Anyone can start a 3 good things intervention from today. All at the end of the day, before you go to bed, write down 3 good things that happened that day and reflect on why they happened or why you think them good. For maximum impact, repeat the daily exercise for 2 weeks. You may find it challenging at first to come up with these good things from your day, but after 2 to 4 days, you will find that it is becoming easier to write 3 good things happen to you in the whole day, to write and why you think them as good. This powerful tool can be used to improve your current levels of well-being, and anytime you begin to feel that your personal resources are being depleted. Now how to do this? So next, how to do it? Each day for at least 1 week, write down 3 things that went well for you today and provide an explanation for why they went well. It is important to create a physical record or your items by writing them down. It is not enough simply to do the exercise in your head. You may forget it. These items can be relatively small in importance. Maybe whether a friend gave you the homework copy, or your co-worker made the coffee today, or relatively large, you got a promotion or you got an appreciation from your boss. To make this exercise part of your daily routine, so some find the writing before bed is very important. As you write, follow these instructions. First, give the event a title. Co-worker complimented my work. My friend helped me. Write down exactly what happened in as much detail as possible, including what you did or what you said, and if others were involved, what they did or said. For example, you got an appreciation from your parents. Write down what father exactly told you and what was the exact work you did for that. Include how this event made you feel at this time, how this event made you feel later, including now and including after, how you are feeling after that. You can also mention the past. Before 3 days I got this appreciation and today I am feeling this. Explain what you think caused this event, why it came to pass. Use whatever writing style you have. You please do not worry about perfect grammar or spelling, but use as much detail you can write. If you find yourself focusing on a negative feeling, refocus your mind on the good event and the positive feeling that came with it. This can take effort but get easier with practice and can make a real difference in how you feel. So gradually, after 7 days, after 15 days, you will find that you are not feeling low. You are getting good feelings about you, and which will work to improve your positive attitude. Now coming to my personal experience, I want to share with you. When I started my YouTube channel, I could not imagine that I will have 1,000 subscribers one day, because I started to help my students so that during this lockdown they will learn more and more sitting at home without taking any help of teacher. Every night I was writing the number of subscribers added or subscribed on that day, and I was feeling positive and encouraged. It gave me a good feelings. So I am showing my gratitude to each and every subscribers, and I am feeling grateful for it. Thank you very much.